Often I had a question in my mind. Am I really serving my society and country? Because I'm not a police officer nor an army officer. So being a designer, what is my role in this society? Some of you have this kind of questions. So in this video, I'm going to elaborate three questions. Number one is, what is graphic design? And the second one is, who is graphic designer? And the third one is, how to be a graphic designer? So first of all, let's take a look at first question. That's, what is graphic design? Graphic design is the process to make the things visible to all the people with the help of visuals. With the help of example, I would like to explain this in the better way. Everything cannot be represented in the form of text only because every nation and country has their own different languages, which is really difficult for all the people to learn and to pronounce these languages accurately. It would be difficult for all the travelers if graphic designers didn't solve the world's biggest problem, that is road signs. In 1960s, road signs were designed by Ma'am Margaret Calvert and Sir Jacques Kenner and launched in 1965. Now let's move to our second question, that's, who is graphic designer? Designing is not only about the use of softwares because it's just a small part of designing. It's more about solving the problems. Graphic designers are those who have the more imagination power than the normal person and the ability to show the imagination to the world. Designers are the most important part of the corporate world because they help to create the image of any kind of business in the form of, we can say, logos and other designs, and they help to organize the information in a better way. So I can say graphic designers are problem solvers and organizers. Now let's move to our third point, that is how to be a designer. Here I am not going to give you any kind of motivational speech. I would like to explain it in a logical way. So it's really easy to find that you can be a designer or not. First of all, it's a first stage that you should look at your mind like you are a left-minded person or a right-minded person. I know it sounds crazy for now, like how a person can find he's a left-minded or a right-minded. No worries, I'm going to teach everything, like how you can find your mind ability. So first, let's talk about our left mind. So left-minded persons are those who have more logical, scientific, business and reasoning skills. Now, as compared to our left mind, our right mind is more creative. Suppose you are getting a dream of something at night. The information is given by your brain is mostly given by the left mind, and the information represented to you is represented by the right mind in the form of pictures, in the form of music and in the form of composition. It mostly represented by our right brain. Now you can take a guess, you can be a designer or not. Like if you are enjoying the music, pictures, paintings and other creative things, then you should be a designer. It's not only about designers, mostly people are confused to choose the right path for their career. Here I would like to say, if you wanna be a successful person, then do less focus on others people lifestyle and focus on your mind ability more, so that you can improve your skills, you can know how your brain work. So this is everything about today, and if you wanna learn more about that, then let me know down in comment section below, and also subscribe and share PIXIPACE YouTube channel so that I can update more videos about designing and about career. I hope you like this video. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and share the PIXIPACE YouTube channel.